How to fix rapidcloud.co, refused to connect or is blocked steps. 1. Check status, open the site in another browser and on mobile data to rule out local block. 2. Clear site data, browser settings, privacy, cookies and site data. Search Rapid Cloud, remove, disable extensions, ad blockers, privacy filters, script blockers, and retry. 3. Flush DNS, open terminal command prompt, ipconfig/flushdns, win, or sudo disktotal-flushcache, sudo killall-upmdnsresponder macOS. 4. Change DNS. Set router-OS DNS to 1.1.1.1 or 8.8.8.8. Firewall AV, temporarily turn off Web Shield SSL inspection. Add the site to allow list if needed. 5. HSTS, HTTPS only. Disable HTTPS only mode just to test, then re-enable. 6th. Network policy. If on school work Wi-Fi, the domain may be blocked. Use an approved network. 6. If still blocked, try different device account to isolate profile corruption. If this helped, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart fixes to common tech and gadgets.